Hi, I'm Beatrice, I'm a lash tech, and if you want to see more lash related videos, you can subscribe. In this video I will show you how I do volume fans with 𝑽𝑒𝑧𝑵 lashes. And as a disclaimer, you can just take some lashes and some glue and do lashes. You need to be trained. So I am using 𝚂𝚘𝚌𝚒𝚕 and 𝚂𝚑𝚌𝚒𝚕 Beauty lashes, 𝚂𝚑𝚌 both. The 𝚂𝚑𝚌𝚒𝚕 Beauty lashes are camellia lashes and the 𝚂𝚘𝚌 lashes are normal. Here the first 3 rows are 𝚂𝚑𝚌𝚒𝚕 Beauty and the rest are 𝚂𝚘𝚌. And now I will show you what I mean in camellia lashes. You can see here when I pull the lashes away, there is a row of small lashes. These are camellia lashes. They are a little easier to fan. And the 𝚂𝚘𝚌 lashes are just normal lashes. I think the 𝚂𝚑𝚌𝚒 Beauty have 3 layers of lashes and the 𝚂𝚘𝚌 just 2. And now you need to put some primer on the 𝚂𝚑𝚒 Beauty lashes because they are a little more sticky at the base compared to the 𝚂𝚘𝚌 ones. Just put a drop of primer on lip wand and go across the base of the lashes until they are completely coated, so that way they are easier to fan and the base is pointy. Without it, it will be more square and harder to fan. On the 𝚂𝚘𝚌 lashes you don't need to put primer because they are perfect. The adhesive is perfect on the base and they fan and have a pointy base. After you are done with the primer, just take your fan and fan them until they are 100% dry, because you can fan them if they are wet, and go with a spoolie and brush them because the tips of the lashes are a little stuck together and you can fan them properly. And now I will show you how I do volume fans. With the tip of the tweezer, just pinch them until they are open, until the fan is open, and get it off the strip and put it back and fan them from the middle out. And you see the base is pointy. With 0.07 lashes you need just 5 lashes per fan, otherwise it will be too big for somebody's lashes and not healthy. And again, fan them with the tweezer first, then place them back on the strip and fan them until they are perfect. With 0.07 you can count them, with 0.05 is a little hard, but I tend to count them when I do fans, so I know if they are too many. And if they are too many, just take one out and make a fan. And now I will show you with the 𝚂𝚘𝚌 lashes. Again, with the tip of the tweezer, make a fan, then get it, and the base is a little too big, put it back on the strip and fan them more until you have just 5 lashes on the fan or less. And now get it off the strip and you can see the base is pointy. And now again I will show you. This is way too big. Just fan them, get what is too much. If you don't like how the fan looks, you can get it off the strip and put it back. And there is a perfect pointy base. And now I will show you with the 0.05 lashes. The first 2 rows are the tea-dance lashes and the rest are 𝑽𝑶𝑳𝑼𝑴𝑬 Beauty instead of 1 row. Brush them. I've already put primer on the 𝑽𝑶𝑳𝑼𝑴𝑬 Beauty lashes, and I will show you with the tea-dance lashes first. Make a fan on the tweezer, and it's way too big. Place it back on the strip and fan it. You can still count them to know what a fan will look with the perfect amount of lashes. And even with 0.05 there is a pointy base, but if you don't like how it is, just place it back, play with it a little more until it's perfect. And I will show you again. Make a fan with the tip of the tweezer on the strip first, then place it back, fan it, take what's more, and you can see a perfect pointy base and the open fan. And now I will show you with the 𝑽𝑶𝑳𝑼𝑴𝑬 Beauty lashes. These are a little easier to fan because they are camellia. Just make the fan as wide as you like. Take a couple out. And you can see here a pointy base too. Now I will show you again. So this is way too big. Put it back on the strip and fan it until it's perfect, and there is the right amount of lashes. I do on the 0.05 just 9 lashes per fan, but you can do less or more. I don't advise you to. And fan them and take them off the strip gently. Take them off the strip towards your chest or your nose. And when you place them on somebody's lashes, make sure you hold the fan a second there so it doesn't close. If you just release it immediately, it will close. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye!